what they've been doing to you all your life is the clearest indicator of your potential. It is your attractiveness. It is your ability to pull people in. It is your potential. Right? What has happened is they've noticed that you're a god, but you're a baby. You're Zeus, but you're a baby. And there'll be all sorts of things that will happen to you along the way and will sort of happen to you forever because you have that God quality, right? And what's happening is they can see the final manifestation of you before you can see it, because this manifestation comes from a spiritual quality. Quality is visible even before you touch the damn thing, yeah? A leather bag, somehow, the reason why you want to reach out and touch it is it looks original, it looks like quality, it looks like something real, it looks like breathing leather, it looks like there's a life force quality to it. This is what you look like as you grow up, this is what you look like as you go through life, and this is what you look like today, it's what you'll look like tomorrow. But understand that if somehow there was a God on earth, only bad things would happen to the God until they grew up, yeah? You'd find the government attacking them, you'd find that they'd try to dissect him, you'd find that they would be an outcast, you would find that you would find that their life is very hard. And even after they've reached their full potential, their life is very hard, because please understand, it's intimidating to have God essence around you, especially if you're mortal, yeah? So like, you need to understand just how scary you are to people who are normal. And the second thing that you need to understand is that it's not going to end. It's only going to get worse because you're only growing further, you're only developing further. It means that you're only getting more scary. You will find more mate guarding happening naturally in your environment. Someone will go up to their boyfriend or their girlfriend and they'll sort of shield them from you because you're damn attractive, and that's all. So understand that you need to learn to gracefully navigate this. The same way the President of the United States has to gracefully navigate just people being weird about him because of his star power, his prestige, his so on, his so forth, all the intimidating things. You have the same thing about you, but maybe even deeper, because it's not a superficial title that can be taken off of you. The president can stop being the president, but you can't stop being amazing, yeah? So please understand that this shit is gonna get worse. And then also understand that there's going to be a victory point at which you have grown up and you are a full god of Olympus. Now, I don't want you to forget what the people did to you. This is where my character becomes wrong, but I'll tell you what. I want you to remember that shit. In fact, I want you to think about it all the way there, and every single time that it happens, then I want you to store it up. Because then you'll have a beautiful motivation like me. Today I won 5 awards in one day, yeah? Might not be the greatest awards, bronze and silver, but I'll tell you what. I got a top 8 ranking. I was in the top 8 out of 593 submissions in a photography award show, you know? And this is it puts me at 85 awards that I've won. I'm almost at 100. And the reason why I embarked on this journey was, there's one award show I submitted my photos to and they didn't even let it break. They didn't even let it break into any visibility. They left me completely unranked. There's nothing there. And I knew that no, the submissions I've made here qualified for continental awards. So I made a video on this very channel. I said, okay, if you're not gonna let me win this one award, I'm gonna win 100 awards. And I'm about to do that shit, the year hasn't finished. I want you to absorb everything that they're doing, because you're not being spiteful enough, yeah? You're not remembering the things that people have done to you enough. You're not storing it, and you're not using spite as energy to come back. I don't want you to be the protagonist of the story in this particular way. You can be the main character, but I don't want you to be good enough to forgive them. Don't forgive them. Remember that shit and use it as motivation, because it is a beautiful motivation to be bitter.